XRP has crossed the $1 benchmark and the price movements indicate a very bullish run ahead. What is causing the price drive? What are the recent updates on the heated legal tussle between Ripple and SEC? Let's get a bit deeper into the topic and analyze what's exactly happening with the lawsuit. But first, we are giving away $25 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome XRP Army. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. The entire crypto universe remains curious about the Ripple vs. SEC. Another document was filed by Ripple in the court. It looks like a solid one. More investments are flowing into the digital asset. Like any other altcoin in the crypto universe, XRP's price movements are highly influenced by the Bitcoin surge. The mighty Bitcoin is moving along a bullish rally and the entire crypto universe seems to be getting along with the hype. While recording the video on August 19th, the Bitcoin is trading at a whopping $47,003. The XRP has also managed to cross $40 billion in market capitalization and presently has a market cap of $56,256,308,207. Since last December, XRP vs. Ripple's lawsuit has earned a fair amount of popularity across the crypto universe. Most crypto enthusiasts in the crypto world are interested in staying updated on the lawsuit verdict as it holds tremendous decisive power in the crypto industry. Without any in-depth explanation, we know that if SEC manages to get XRP in control, the government authorities will eventually earn the power to bring the entire crypto space under management, stating the same reasons they might put against XRP. So what do you guys think has triggered the hike? It's all due to one nice announcement that came out of SBI Ripple agent, to be precise. It's about the deal with Mr. Katao. He is one of the major shareholders of Ripple and is the CEO of SBI. Mr. Katao is a whale himself with regards to XRP token. We call an investor whale when he or she holds a significant amount of tokens under possession. The affluent investor loves to be involved in the market making and providing liquidity. Katao is now focused on putting Ripple net rails in between two countries, Thailand and South Korea. The announcement revealed that the SBI Ripple, based on the Asian continent, is focused on actively promoting and making RippleNet technology familiarized to the investor community in the region. As per the announcement, the receiver is going to be a commercial bank named Siam. They have been working with SBI for a long time. South Korea is now all set to go GME remittance. The country has shown its uniqueness in almost all sectors of the global market. GME Remittance has the number one position in market share and had about 200,000 customers last year. Regarding Ripple, South Korea has grown by 130% as per the year-on-year date. For a token to affirm its roots in the country, the regulations in the region should be encouraging cryptocurrency development. And the regulations in South Korea seem to be working pretty open-minded with the token. Although the government authority is strict with the issuing license, they have made quite an effort in conveying the rules clearly to the crypto companies. One thing that they are very strict on is the privacy coins. Millions of people from South Korea have shown an increasing interest in the crypto space and are paying for goods and services via apps by utilizing cryptocurrencies. Hence, the country is regarded as a very crypto-friendly country by the investor community and crypto enthusiasts. As we know, XRP is experiencing hurdles in America due to regulatory bodies and laws. So when a ground becomes clear and supportive for a particular token, the news would naturally cause hype. We now know what it is like for the token in South Korea. Let's now check the grounds in Thailand. Well, Thailand is exceptionally sharp and savvy about digital currencies, particularly the Siam Commercial Bank with a long working history with SBI. The bank has been using digital assets to carry out cross-border transactions. XRP is one such crypto project that has earned significant recognition due to its efficiency in carrying out cross-border transactions. According to the reports, UAE, Hong Kong, and Thailand have been doing experiments since 2019 using CBDC. The project is titled Central Bank Digital Currency Bridge. Ripple is much more economical than the mighty Bitcoin. If you find it hard to invest in Bitcoin due to its increased prices, Ripple is a good option. Mainly, you can get hold of XRP tokens at a reasonable price, and second, it doesn't demand any fees as banks and PayPal does on transactions. As the tokens are being traded at a low cost, it has more room to prosper and improve in value in future. Did you know Ripple is one of the top 10 popular cryptocurrencies in the world? From an investor's viewpoint, attention and chances of advancement go hand in hand. In short, when a digital asset is made familiar to investors, the likelihood of producing earnings gets high. XRP can be sent across the globe and has been accepted by numerous banks. Due to all these apparent reasons and due to its long years of service in the sector, the token could develop tremendous market sentiments that are serving as a significant plus for this particular token. Alright, a new Ripple document was filed in the court recently. Some time back on May 6, Judge Sarah Net-Byrne ordered documents that the court asked to submit would be withheld based on privilege by the SEC, and the papers should be identified on a privileged log. Now, what SEC did is that they went on and claimed every document they submitted as privilege. Following the claim, Ripple filed 21 pages stating that the SEC is not clear with the assertions of privilege. Yet, they didn't submit one single responsive internal document supporting the statement, and they continued listing that SEC lacks communication over HINMAN's speech. Ripple says the documents ordered to be submitted are relevant as per ruled by the court twice. Hence, the information will demonstrate that the SEC was also not much certain about the marketplace. The court also understood that there is an unusual public interest encompassing the lawsuits and its updates. So this puts the SEC in a tough position. The SEC can't anymore hide facts or put a blanket over what the regulatory body has communicated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. The regulatory body did not even imagine in their wildest dreams that the token would have market sentiments this deep, and the case would backfire the one who filed it. Since cross-border payments have been a matter of concern faced by many institutions and banks, XRP could establish well in the crypto universe. The crypto sector is one industry that has remained independent from the clutches of government authorities. Hence, trying to bring the entire industry under government control and keep it in check is not an ideal activity. Stating the factor mentioned above, many personalities like Brian Quintenz have said that the SEC does not have authority over peer commodities. Ripple could come across significant wins in the lawsuit despite the SEC being a legitimate regulatory body. Things don't seem like moving in favor of SEC as the entire crypto community supports the XRP token. Ripple has been focusing on firing more people abroad for these reasons and now has a significant presence in London and Singapore. The on-demand liquidity of Ripple uses XRP, and any new consumer would be then boarded to a non-US based firm. Regardless, XRP being a setup based in the US, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, wishes to see the country thrive well in the sector and wishes to work with the nation's government to give the clarity and certainty the entire crypto space has been eagerly waiting for some time now. Nonetheless, he also thinks that giving much-awaited clarity through enforcement is not the right way to do it. So, for the query on whether they will give up on the US, he says he isn't keen to go to that extent yet. Hence, we can conclude that the SEC has been trying hard to get Ripple under control. However, things are working in favor of Ripple, preventing the authority from getting hands-on with the entire crypto universe. Do you invest in XRP? If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.